In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Finance portfolios and check stock performance. Whether you're an experienced investor or just starting out, having a handle on your stock portfolio is crucial. So let's dive in and get you set up on Google Finance. Our first step is to head over to google.com/finance. This site is a great tool for anyone interested in monitoring their investments, providing an intuitive interface that makes portfolio management straightforward. Once you arrive on the page, take a moment to get familiar with the dashboard, which features the latest financial news and stock market insights. Now focus on the right side of your screen. There, you'll see a section labeled Your Portfolios. Within that section, you're going to click on New Portfolio. This is your starting point to create a customized collection of stocks that you want to keep a close eye on. At this point, you'll need to give your portfolio a name. Make sure it's something memorable and relevant to its purpose. You also have the option to create a playground portfolio, which is great if you want to experiment with tracking stocks without it affecting your actual investments. Just imagine it as a sandbox area where you can test out strategies. Once you've named your portfolio, go ahead and click on Save. This action will officially create the portfolio and you'll now be able to interact with it. Click on the portfolio you've just created to open it. You'll find options to customize and add investments. For now, let's focus on adding those investments. Click Add Investments to start building your portfolio. Here, you'll be asked to enter the ticker symbol of the stock you're interested in, for instance, GOOCH for Google. Alongside the ticker symbol, make sure to enter the number of shares you've purchased and the purchase date. These details will help Google Finance calculate accurate financial metrics for your portfolio. After you've entered the necessary information, click Save. Google Finance takes over from here, automatically calculating your portfolio's performance. This includes displaying its total value, any gains or losses, and the performances of individual stocks you're tracking. It's quite handy to see it all laid out and understand how each investment affects your overall financial health. Additionally, Google Finance allows you to create watch lists. These are incredibly useful for tracking specific stocks or indexes that you might be interested in but haven't yet invested in. It's a great way to keep an eye on potential future investments. Finally, make use of the Google Finance Stock Screener. This tool lets you search, sort, and compare stocks across various criteria like market cap, dividend yield, or PE ratio. Utilizing these features can provide insights into stocks you're interested in and enhance your investment strategy. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering your financial portfolio on Google Finance. Happy investing!